And do not worry, ang sabi ng Panginoon. Bakit? Kasi ang worry, it cannot change anything. Hindi nito mababago ang kahit ano pa man. Sabi nga nila, ang worry, ang mababago lang nito, blood pressure mo. Kasi once na nag-alala ka, tataas yung blood pressure mo, kakaisip, ano kayang mangyayari bukas, na magugulat ka lahat ng inalala mo, hindi naman nangyari. Hindi naman po masamang maging concern. Ang masama, mag-worry. Kaya nga kapag ang isang tao ay nag-aalala, ina-admit mo na kagad na talo ka. Worrying admits your defeat kasi hindi ka na nakakaisip. Lagi mo nalang iisip, paano kaya to? Ano kaya ang mangyayari sa akin? Kaya nga sinabi rin ng ating Panginoong Jesus that worrying cannot add anything to your life. In fact, ang pag-worry, it will shorten your life. Eh, Pastor, paano kung hindi ako nakapagbayad ng bills namin? Paano kapag hindi ako na-promote? Paano kapag iniwan niya ako? Paano kapag hindi niya ako iniwan? Nag-worry din yung ibang ganun eh. I realize that worry is actually faith. Worry is faith in the negative. Nananampalataya ka sa negative. Imbis na manampalataya that something good is going to happen to you. When you worry, nilalagay mo yung energy, yung faith at paniniwala mo na wala na talagang magandang mangyayari. Baka malit yung aeroplano. Pag nakasakay naman, baka bumagsak yung aeroplano. Either way, we always worry all the time. Worry cannot change anything in your life. Kaya sabi mismo ng ating Panginoon, this is not a suggestion. Don't worry. Huwag ka mag-alala about anything. Because life is more than just, more than food. In your body, more than clothing. No wonder Jesus also said that you come to me if you are tired because my yoke is easy and my burden is light. Kapag kasama natin ang Panginoon, ang sinasabi niya, dapat magaang lang ang buhay. Hindi natin binibigitan. Hindi tayo nag-aalala sa pwedeng maging sitwasyon ng ating buhay. Alam ko na yung nakikita niyo sa harapan ninyo ay nakakatakot. Pero ang sinasabi ng Panginoon sa kanila, don't be afraid, don't be discouraged, for that battle is not yours. That thing that you are worrying about is not yours. It is the Lord's battle, and all you have to do is stand still and believe that God is with you and God will fight for you, that God is always in front of you and not behind you. Focus on Him. Focus on Jesus Christ, because when you worship God, you focus on Him. When you worry, you focus on your problem. Kaya sabi ng Panginoon, don't be discouraged, don't be dismayed. Kapag ikaw ay nag-aalala, ang nakikita mo problema. Pero kapag ikaw ay nag-worship, ang nakikita mo ay ang ating Panginoon. At yung matuto tayong magtiwala sa Diyos ay very important sa pananampalataya natin.